Algorithmic Trading with Python. Day 4, we're going to be building some AI. I'm actually really excited because today's the day that we start training the model. We've been practicing to get all of our data in the right shape and size. And you see here on the screen, look up there. We're up there. You can see this is the data. We got it in the right shape. We do have a few things we want to modify and make a little bit better. That we've got good news. We've got really good news, everyone. We've got great news that it basically is good enough the way it is right now. I'm really excited. Hey, how's it going? SAQ 3000. Happy to see you. Welcome back in. We're going to be training our data today. We're going to train the model. I'm really excited. We've been working on making this all work. Hey, Ashford, how's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Friday, everyone. We've got it. We're really close. We're really close to getting our AI working. We've got the model all set up. Basically, we've got the model all set up. We've got the data set up for the most part. Now we just need to merge the two. We need to bring our data into the model and we got to train it. We've got a few things to do. I'm coding Python shape creation with Claude. That's a great way to do it. That's a great way to do it, to actually use the AI directly. Use the AI to write as much code as you can, because guess what? It can do it for you. Why bother having to do it yourself when the AI can do it for you? I suppose there is one reason. It's just maybe for learning purposes, but also for fun. Maybe for fun. Coding is fun still, so you can do some coding on your own without the AI, but also using the AI is going to help you a lot as well. Because I actually, check this out. This is really neat. So I've been doing coding for many years. And as soon as the AI started coming on, the AI code generator started coming on the scene, we did some amazing new ways to learn. Free. Oh, hey, yes, we get it. Free the country that you mentioned. I saw Mora. E8B. Yes, that is a thing that you could say. Isn't it already? I mean, I suppose, well, we won't dive into it because, we keep mostly focused on computer science. That's what we're going to do. We're going to focus on computer science. So we've got a couple of tasks for today. I do have to get jumping because I have we had to roll back a change yesterday. In our infrastructure, our global infrastructure, we made an upgrade to the infrastructure that improved a really powerful metric in our network. But we had to roll it back because we had a bug and we didn't catch it. And so I wanted to stream. I wanted to make sure that I covered, some topics and just got to make sure we stream every day. And I wanted to make sure that we get these things done today because we're really close. I'm so excited about it. Though then I do got to jump off to that other task and then work on it. Might be a weekend task as well. SAQ 3000. Nah, I'm making mini tools. Oh, really? Mini tools, you say? What kind of mini tools? Then I'll script a bash code. Okay, a bash script, cool. That will use the Python modules, okay, and make a picture automated, beautiful, fast. Ooh, make it really fast. Okay, fast. That sounds really cool. Would love to check it out when you get a chance. If share that with us, would love to see what you did. Would like to see what you built there. Oh, Curious K7. Why do releases come close to weekend through the brinks of pain of rollback? Right? I know, Curious K7. So, we did a release yesterday, right? And so we don't do releases on Friday because the reason, right? We don't want to have to roll back over the weekend because it could cause issues. So our final cutoff. We usually only want to release on Monday or Tuesday, right? Wednesday and Thursday if we really want to and we're feeling confident. We felt confident, but we had to roll back anyway, which is really unfortunate because it's such a good upgrade. It's a really good upgrade, and we did a really good job with it because we spent a lot of time building it and ensuring, we tested a lot. We did a lot of quality assurance on it. We had to roll it back anyway. And so it's really frustrating because it's such a great upgrade. Here's the good news. We did find a couple of things early this morning, though it's not really like the main root cause. So what we have to do is after stream today, I'm gonna dive further into that code and really we're gonna really look to see if we can find anything that's really happening there. Oh, I explained it horribly. Oh, no worries. It's a mini codes. Okay. Many codes many Python files. Oh, okay. Oh, so it codes Python files and bash scripts. We'll use them to edit a picture, to transform the picture to something beautiful. That sounds fantastic. That sounds wonderful. Okay, so you probably have, common, ordinary photo, but then you want to upgrade the photo to make it better. That sounds really cool. I've been using Nano Banana. To automatically create my YouTube thumbnails. You didn't see anything. Scroll over to the wrong monitor desktop there. But I've been using Nano Banana. So check this out. My new videos, you can see the thumbnails like this one, like Nano Banana. It automatically writes the text for you. Kind of neat. Using Nano Banana, which is Google's automatic image editor. It's Google's image editor. It does a really good job. All right, here we go. So we've got to shuffle our data. We've got to use the DataLoader and the tensor dataset, so that way we can pull the data into. This is the best way to show. We could shuffle the data all on our own in a different way, though. Here's the thing: we're using a library called PyTorch, and it has everything already built for us. I know we're used to building it all ourselves without a framework. At least I am, because that's where I learned the AI before the frameworks even came out. Yes, but Nano Banana is not local. True, you're right. It's not. It's not local. SAQ 3000. So you're going to be using a local model. That does sound pretty exciting. That sounds really exciting, because then you can use it as much as you want without having to pay for, I guess, an API fee, right? Without having to pay for the API fee. All right, let's take a look here. All right, so we want to shuffle our data. We also need to learn how to use the to device. I've done this before in the past, where we capture the device, which is going to be the accelerator, right? When we're using PyTorch and we want to accelerate our model and make it run faster by using a GPU or a TPU, we need to send our data that's currently in RAM on the system bus and we need to move it to GPU memory. And so that's what we need to do with this to device. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Hey, how's it going? Let's see. It's a Aki Pella 2476. How's it? Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Welcome on in. Interesting. I think so. SAQ 3000. I think it's interesting. I'm really excited for this. This is going to be cool. And then once we do this, we'll be able to see some initial. Is it going to learn? Do you think it's going to learn? I think it's going to learn. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate. Or here we go. What we're going to do now is we're going to start by doing the data loader. We're going to do the data loader first. So I did pull in some instructions. So we do need to import a data loader. Let's see. I pulled in some instructions. Here we go. So let's see here. So we need to pull this in. Let's copy and paste this here. We'll do some copy and pasting over here. And so we import our libraries properly. Got to import our libraries. There we go. Okay. So we don't need that. We're looking good there. I also might want to use SGD instead of AtomW. Because this is something I'm familiar with in having it takes a little bit longer to train, but it actually might be worth it. It actually might be worth it, especially since we're going to be shuffling our data. You're the best good luck givers, takers. Thank you. Thank you for mentioning. My name is Kayode from Nigeria. Okay, Kayode. Good. Thank you so much for mentioning your name. Kayode. Yeah, I was trying to pronounce your YouTube name, and it was You'll be back later? Okay, cool. SAQ 3000. Sounds good. We'll see you in a bit. We should have most of it all set up and ready to go. Let me see here. Hey, how's it going, Swastik? How's it going, Swastik 8769? Good to see you. Robble. Hey, how's it going, Robble? Yo, what's up, man? What are we working on? We are going to train. We're training our machine learning model, or AI model, our algorithm model. So yesterday we succeeded in preparing all of our data, right? So we got all the data. So you can see here at the bottom of the screen here, right here, this section, this is all the data that we needed. It's all the important data. So we've got it into the right shape. ResNet, fourth Hokage. Hey, Aaron Naruto. That's where I learned the word Hokage when I was watching some Naruto. ResNet, what we're using is PyTorch. We're using PyTorch. And we're going to be, we've got we're going to be using here. Actually, I could pull this over here so it looks a little bit better. So these are libraries that we're using. Y-Finance for the dataset, PyTorch, the transformer for full self-attention. We're going to use Gemma embedding for the sentiment analysis. I'm really, I see. Cool. Yeah, I think so. I think it's really cool. Then we're targeting high volatile market with lots of news events, because that's what's going to trigger the data, right? We need a lot of data, high volume, so that when we place our sell order, it's very likely to be matched with a buyer. with a buy offer. When we place our sell offer, we want to make sure that it gets sold as fast as possible. I guess if we don't have to, it doesn't have to be super fast, but a reasonable amount of volume, which just means there's enough trades to be able to place our sale so someone will actually buy it. I'm Havoc R. Thank you for inspiring young developers like me. Cool. Happy to hear it. Happy to do it. Jesse, Havoc R. Okay, Havoc R. It's going to be hard. Your YouTube names, I will try my best to see if I can match up with what you remind me of here, because your YouTube names are different than other names. Like Jesse versus Havoc R. That's completely different. But yeah, I'm happy to help inspire. Curious K7, feeling nostalgic to hear ResNet feels like a thing of the past. It is. That's that thing is, what is the history on ResNet? Let's actually see. ResNet history. What is it? ResNet was designed for computer vision. Oh, right. I remember that. Okay. It was like only 10 years ago. That's so long ago now. 10 years ago. Time goes by so quick. It's so fast. Are you going to be testing it with a live account? Eventually, maybe it's possible. KO'd, maybe. We might do it. We might, but for now, we're going to test it. Today we have one. Thank you for the likes, you guys. We've got a plan. We've got a plan for today. The plan is we want to make sure to get these to-do items finished, which will be here. These to-do items right here. These ones. All right. So we basically want to start the training process is the idea. And we need to be able to do GPU acceleration. And we need to be able to shuffle the data for stochastic gradient descent. And I'm thinking I probably want to use the SGD optimizer over the Atom optimizer. But, we're going to try Atom first. We'll try Atom first. We'll see how it goes. So let's get our data into, so we're going to need to do tensor dataset and dataLoader. So I do think I need to run this here. Like I need to grab our features and labels and then put it into, let's see here, something like, so I think it goes features and labels like this. Yeah, exactly. Thank you for the likes, you guys. And then I'm not sure if this is this the dataset? Is it like this? Or does it what does the tensor dataset do? Let's go back here. I did have this up here. So I don't think I need to do that. Okay, so it is just dataset. Okay, perfect. All right, so you've got the dataset, and then we need to put that dataset into a DataLoader like this, and then shuffle through. And then we have a batch size. We could do a batch size of 16. We don't need to be a batch size of 16. We could probably do like a batch size of 8 or maybe even 4. Let's do a batch size of 4. I think that's a better idea. 4 now. All right, so now actually we're going really fast. We might finish quick today. And then I'll be able to figure out what happened with our rollback earlier. What IDE are you using? KO'd, we are using Vim. This is Vim. So right there, so we got Vim improved, which is Vi improved, version 91754. That's the current version that we are using. It's just Vim. It's simple Vim, which is great. I'm also running Tmux, which is a window manager, I guess, or a TTY manager within your terminal emulator. It's called Tmux, like that, Tmux. And it lets you migrate between windows easily. It makes you do a lot of really great, easy window management. So that way I can split the screen. I could split it horizontally as well, so you can see like other sides of the screen. So that's what we do. So actually, you know what? We don't actually need that anymore. Thank you for the likes. Happy to answer any questions y'all have. We're going into now that we got the DataLoader. Thank you for the likes, you guys. We don't need that. We already have this. Model. Oh, wait. Torch.tensor. I wonder. Or wait. So we've got a data set here. We need to do it different. Okay. So we got our model. Do we have our model? Did we define the model? We did. Okay, we defined the model. All right. So so we need to pull this out. Let's pull this over here. Okay. You know what? Thank you for likes, you guys. All right. I think we're ready. I think we're almost there. Oh, this is so exciting. We're almost there. Okay, so I need to put the DataLoader into a device. So I need to figure out how to do that really quick. I'm not familiar as much to do this. Okay, so we got batch size DataLoader. Looks good. Shuffle, true, iterate. Looks good. Features. Okay. So I need to do that like this. So I do need to do like that. I do. Batch features, batch labels, and data loader. Okay, perfect. Let's pull this over here. And then thank you for the likes, you guys. So instead of text, so we do features like this. And then logics. And then we've got our labels. Where is it? Where are the labels? Thank you for the likes. Oh, how do I get into machine learning and artificial intelligence like you? Because I'm currently learning Fast API for the money because it's fast. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Okay, here we go. So the answer for that. Hey, what's up, David Bulls? Divine Bulls? Divine Bulls, happy to have you in here. Good to see you, Divine Bulls. What's up? We are currently doing some machine learning and AI to build our own trading bot. We're making an AI trading bot, you guys. This is really great. I'm actually really excited because we're getting really close to the training part because we've been working on this for about 4 days now. And 4 days starting on Tuesday, and we got all the data prepared, we got the model ready, and all we have to do is a few things before we can start training. A few things before we can start training the model, and we're almost there. So I just need to figure out how to get the. Thank you for the likes, you guys, appreciate it. Divine Bulls, great. It will help me while AI read team assessment. Perfect. I like that. I know we're in a whole new world now, aren't we, Divine Bulls? Because we just, we have the AI do the work for us over here in another window, in another tab or another terminal window. And then we go off and we go watch YouTube because we don't have to do work anymore, right? The AI will do everything for us. It's so great. We're about to enter a whole new world in the next decade of prosperity. I'm pretty sure jobs are going to get easier, but also we're going to need more people to do more stuff because now we have so much more access to automating everything. It's so cool. Oh, it'll be the red team assessment. Sorry for the typo. Gotcha. Red team. So from a security perspective, it's usually red team, right? Red team is going to be taking care of, safety and security and things like that. Understood. Divine Bulls. Okay, here we go. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. We're going to jump into our code now. All right, let's take a peek here. So we got our data loader. Now we need to figure out how to get the data loader. Yep, offensive security. Yeah, offensive security. Proactive. Trying to keep ahead of all the potential ne'er-do-wells. The folks who will cause problems. You got to take care of them before they even can try. All right, here we go. So I've got our batch labels. We figured that out. Here we go. Batch labels like this. Okay. And then we run backwards, tap the optimizer, and then see what our epoch is and our loss rate. Perfect. What are our probs here? Okay. So probabilities. Okay. So this will give us the output of the best possible answer detached to CPU. Perfect. So I need to. Does it automatically do that? Let me double check. Maybe we don't already. Maybe it. So device. I'm pretty sure. So we do have a device. So what I have to do is figure out what the device is. Okay. So torch.toDevice. Here we go. Then where is? Let's see here. Okay. So it'll default to CPU, of course. But I want to use the GPU again. I want to use the GPU. Let's make it fast. Okay. But isn't there more to it? Because I also, tensor.to, that's self-device. Okay. So it automatically takes the tensor PLC ladder. Wait, what do you mean Stratosizer 3081? What do you mean PLC ladder? What is that? What's a PLC ladder? What is that? Okay, so forward automatically puts it to the device. So all I need to do is find a list of device features to items. Maybe text is a string iterable, but I put it into a data loader. It is an iterable though. We might have to make some changes here. We might have to change some of this here. We'll see. Okay, we don't have to worry about that. That looks good. Embeddings, we're all happy here. Okay, I think we're good there. So all I need to do now is figure out in PyTorch how to get. Let's see here. PyTorch device list. Here we go. How to get the device list in PyTorch. Let's see if we can do that. See here. So we've got a CUDA, but what if we don't have CUDA? So torch.CUDA is available. Okay. So then, how, see here, Intel extension. Okay. So we don't need to worry about that one. IPX. What about, I need a list of all available devices. List all available devices. I need a way to do that. That's what I need. I need a way to list all the, okay, so backends.mps. So that's the one I know I want to use. I'm pretty sure I want to use MPS, but I want to list. So I'm pretty sure this is the one, at least for now, this is the one. So because I'm running on Apple, right? I'm running on Apple MPS. Okay, so I think torch.device MPS. Maybe we can just copy and paste this right here. Is that all we need to do? Let's try it. Let's see. We'll try it. We'll try it, everyone. Okay, here we go. Let's close that. We don't need that anymore. Okay, where is model? Model is here. Let's see here. Model parameters, and then I say device, device like this is going to be that torch device MPS. So is that it? No, that's not. That's the wrong. I put it in the wrong spot. We need to put it here. We need to put it right here. I'm pretty sure. Actually, let's double check. Where do we, is it on the forward? Actually, I'm actually kind of curious. Where was it? Do you guys remember? I don't. Okay, so it's not there. Oh, no, it is there. It's right here. Okay, perfect. We did it. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we got it in the right spot. So it's here now. And I think what we could do is, what happens here? What happens? So we're not all the way there yet. We have more things to do. We're not done yet. Okay. Let's just print a couple of these for debugging, just in case. So we got our data loader. Then we've got the batch. So we're using our data loader, and then we put the batch features in. Looks good. And then we have our output and our labels, which is going to do our loss. Okay. Is that it? Is that it? Is that everything? I think it is. I think it might be. What's going to happen if we click run? All right, here. Let's do this. So Python train. Is it going to actually work, or is it? I'm here. We're going to find it. Hey, nice to see you again. How are you doing? We are doing fantasticals. We are doing fantasticals. Number one, fantasticals one. We're doing fantastic. All right, let's see if it works. Is it going to break? Is it going to break? I don't know. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. I'm actually really excited. I'm really excited. Is it going to work? Did we already do it? Are we done? No, I figured as much. All right, I knew there was going to be a problem somewhere. I knew there was, because I'm like, it's too simple. It's too easy. Okay, where's the problem? We got to figure it out. Yo, I was just learning PyTorch. Yeah, all right. That's what we're doing today as well. MATLife. Ooh, BMATLife 5182. So having trouble with some of the typings. Aha, that's what we're doing. Is your logits typed, or is it just Annie? Oh, well, I don't know. I mean, it should be, I think, let's find out. So here's our logits. Where is it? Logits. Here. Okay. Which runs the model, which should just be forward, right? So it's just going to run forward, I assume, because I'm not familiar, but I'm pretty sure it's just forward, right? So here is the forward, and then it returns the classify. So it's whatever's here. It's whatever's here. I don't know what that is. What do you major in? Oh, let's see. What do we major in? What is it? Coyote? Was your name Coyote? Let's double check. Coyote. It was, computer science. It was computer science, but I dropped out, you guys. I dropped out because I found that I had something better to do. Marcus, what is up? Marcus Oliver. I just got here. Hey, thank you for all the likes, you guys. What's he plan on trading? Commodities, stock, crypto, all the above. You got it. This looks like gibberish to me. User, your name is also gibberish, user. Hey, Mohammed, welcome on in. Happy to have you. Dropped out for JavaScript. How did you know? He dropped out for JavaScript? I was like, I know plenty. Like, I know my JavaScript. I did have a class where we were taking some JavaScript in college, and that we had a test, and on the test was wrong. I'm like, hey, instructor, the test was wrong. Here's the right answer if you had the correct test question. I was correcting the instructor. Like, I was like, this is incorrect. Like, what am I even doing here? And then I was like, I already have a business. I'm successful at the business, and I'm going to college at the same time. What's the point? I had something else better to do, so I dropped out of college, you guys. I dropped out. You like 12 and 90. Interesting. Anyway, watching, building, boo. Okay, sounds good to me. Eddie Legendary, welcome on in. Happy to have you in here. Welcome back. Good to see you. Hello. Marcus, let's go. Training on local GPU. You got it. It's a local GPU. We could rent some GPUs, though, if we want to get some H100s or H200s. Those are really expensive, $30,000 per chip NVIDIA GPUs. Why are they $30,000? It's ridiculous. $30,000 for an NVIDIA accelerator. Come on. But no, we're running on our local Mac. We have a Mac. We've got a Mac. So we're running on MPS. So our device, where's our device here? Our device, here we go. Check this out. Is going to be MPS. So you can see right here, we got an MPS device. An MPS device right here, MPS, which is the Metal API. I don't know. The Metal API is what they call it. They call it the Metal API. Leo Croc Toad. Leo Croak Toad. Hey, have you heard of Python Pickle? Yes, I have heard of the Pickle library. It serializes and saves Python objects for later use. It's a serializer, and it also works for binary data. And you have other kinds of serializers that work as well that are more universal. So Pickle is kind of mostly a Python thing, right? But if you want to serialize your data, you can use JSON, of course. You could also use CBOR. You could also use gRPC. There's a whole bunch of ways to serialize your data. Do you have M3 chip? We have an M chip and we're ready to go. We have an M chip, you guys. Oh, 8. Wadum. We do. We have an M chip, you guys. Eddie Legendary, what IDE do you use? All right. What IDE? We have Vim. We are using Vim. Vim Improved version 91754. That's the current version we are using. We're using 91754 Vim. And that's it. There you go. It's everything you see on the screen. And it allows us to easily jump around. Oh, we're also using Tmux. We're using Tmux as well, you guys. All right, here we go. Let's see. So, there are some Frankenstein GPUs out there. 96 gigabyte 4090s? Are you serious? How do you get a 96 gig? Thank you for the likes, you guys. Eddie Legendary, okay, sounds good. Happy to help you, TY. Thank you very much. You're happy to very much. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Here we go. All right, let's jump into our code because we need to figure out what we did. There's an error. We got to figure out what the error is. Just like earlier today when we had to roll back some code in our infrastructure because we had an issue, and so that also is the reason why the main tasks for today, we want to make sure that we at least get our AI running. We want to train the AI. We're really close. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. All right, so here we go. Where is the issue? List at a size 0 tensor on dataset. Oh, what? No. Oh, come on. So our DataLoader is having an issue? Is that what it is? Our DataLoader? Oh, maybe it wants it to be a different kind of features and labels. Maybe we need to use NumPy. You're welcome. Thank you so much for saying it. Can you help me get a fresh perspective for a problem? Okay, let's find out this. MR Dongwall. Let's see here. If I said your name properly, let me know. A problem you're solving. We are trying to extract around 200 data points. That's a good amount of data points, not a lot, but okay. From a large legal documents, mostly 200 pages. Oh, generally design-wise. Okay, so I've got your answer. Mr. Dongwall, and it's called function calling. You can use these AIs. I'll give you the answer here, and I'll put it on our Discord. It's on our Discord. I've got your answer for you. It's called function calling or tool use. Eddie Legendary, what do you like best, Linux, Windows, or Mac? Linux and Mac. So I go between the two. My desktop right here, I'm running on Mac. We're running on a Mac on a desktop. So I like Mac, but it's, you know what? And you know what? It's basically the same as Linux these days, especially that I don't run any specialized software for the Mac. I just don't run any specialized software for the Mac. I could be running on Linux right now. The only thing is I'm running Mac hardware. So I might as well run Mac OS, and I'm perfectly happy with that. I'm perfectly fine and happy with that. Okay, so Mr. Dongwall, what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to that real quick. We'll help you out with this. I'll show you. This is the way to do it. It's on our Discord. So jump over to our Discord under free resources on our Discord channel. And it is here. It is this link right here. And this specific link right here is going to be very helpful because it's going to take us straight into the code that you need. What you do, now this is computer vision. You don't need to use computer vision. You just need to do text extraction. So let's take a walkthrough really quick. Okay, zooming in. We're zooming in over here. Let's see. Let's zoom in real quick. All right. So check this out. So what you do, thank you for your likes, you guys. Okay, so what you do so you've got a document that's 200 pages. That's a lot of pages. And you have very specific items that you want to extract from the document. What you do is something called function calling. function calling Claude Code, or you could do Codex, or sorry, you could be doing a whole bunch of different things. So Claude function calling and tool use. This is it right here. You want to use this. You could also use OpenAI's version or Gemini. They all support it. They all support it. Isn't Android based on Linux? Eddie Legendary, yes. Android is Linux. I believe, right? It's Linux. Android is Linux, right? Let me just double check it. Is Android Linux? Obviously, we're just Googling stuff for you. Yes, Android is based on a modified version of the Linux kernel. There you go. It is Linux. Yep, you're completely right. Hey, Vishwa. Hey, Vishwa. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. We're walking through today. We're going to be building our, we're going to train our AI model. We're going to train it. I'm so excited. Before we do that though, we're helping out, Mr. Dongwall with a tool calling. So what you want to do is called function calling. You define a tool, and the tool is going to extract, it's going to ask a question of the document. It's going to, what model do you like to code with? Flask guy, I like Claude Code, and Codex. Gemini is also very good. So we compared all three. We compared Gemini, Claude Code, and Codex. We compared those tools. They all did a really good job. They're all very good. They do a really good job. I like it. Linux Tails is like really safe, I think. Is it? I didn't know about that one, Eddie Legendary. It's it sounds like a really good, might as well go with the safe route. I think that's a really good idea. But yeah, so Flask Guy, I like all the models. I usually use Claude Code because we have specifically we have at my company, at my business, we have a fast path using unlimited. We have unlimited access. So it gives us a little bit, we've got a fast path with AWS Bedrock. It makes it really easy. What hardware are you running the model with? It'll be on a Mac. We're running a Mac with MPS, the Metal API. We're using Metal. Here you go. Right there, MPS. That's going to be the backend, or I guess the backend. It's called the backend, or it's the device, right? The accelerator. These will be the GPU accelerators that we're using, you guys. MPS. That's the device. That is the device that we're using. Do you think a beginner AI ML should start with big libraries like PyTorch? Oh, so I've got your answer. Leo Croaktoad, thank you for the likes, you guys. What you want to start with, yes, is a library because it's going to help you out a lot. I have it ready for you. This right here, you see on the screen, called Training a Neural Network on MNIST with Keras. Keras is a lot easier to use when it comes to dealing with machine learning. So you'd Python and Keras. It's called Python and Keras, you guys. And it will do a really good job. You can click this run on Colab and it will take you right there. You can download the notebook. They make it really easy. And this guide starts you off with computer vision. Computer vision, and it's the hello world. MNIST training dataset is the hello world, right? So you start with the MNIST dataset, and it looks like this. Check this out. It looks like this. This is a bunch of handwritten characters. So this is my favorite hello world because it's a really good introduction and a really beneficial way to understand how to use the Keras framework. It's a lot easier. We are using PyTorch. We're using PyTorch here, and it's more advanced. There's more to it, and so like if you're going to do the MNIST training data set, you have to do a lot more. You guys. But Keras is the way to go. Eddie Legendary, yeah, I searched it up. It's fully privacy focused and security. Interesting. All right, so LYINIX. Let's check it out. Let's check. Oh nope, not this one. That's not it. Linux OS. Is that it? Wait, Google doesn't think so. Wait, are you talking about just Linux, like regular Linux? Yes. So if you're just talking about Linux, yeah, it's good. It's very good. They have a very good kernel. It's a very good kernel. Main problem I'm having is there are sections mentioned in the text. We have to navigate hundreds of sections to get the answer, and that's a problem. Okay, with the LLMs due to context length, I tried hard coding it. Okay, so Mr. Dongwall, you will want to segment page by page. So what you're going to do is so we did this live on stream. We gave it a demonstration. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see. So it's on our Discord, here on our Discord. So click this. It'll take you here. And what you do is you define a function which is going to ask the AI to respond in JSON format, and then you can get the exact answer. So you say, how much is this contract worth, right? How much money is this contract worth? It's a 200-page contract, right? So what you do is you paste it. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. You put into the context window each page at a time. You ask the AI, and we did that with this Waldo example. So you can see here what we did is, thank you for all the likes. We split this up into segments. So we split the image into segments, and then we asked the AI the same question, and then it found Waldo candidates. That's how it works. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. So you have to split it up so it fits into the context window, and then you have to use tool calling so that way you get the exact data from the AI in a dedicated format that is deterministic. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. It's deterministic. Otherwise, if you don't do that, then you'll get non-deterministic data format back, and you won't be able to properly leverage your AI to do the right work. And then it's guaranteed. Like it basically works 100% of the time. I've always had it work. It works so good. It's amazing. It works so good. And then you can run through for each of those pages, and then you can ask it multiple questions, and then you can give it you can get enumerations, you can have it give you strings, you can have it give you arrays. It'll do whatever kind of data format you're looking. It's so good. It's amazing. How can I get good like this? I haven't even started. Hey, all good. Don't worry. Here's the deal. It's actually really cool. Check this out. The best way to get started with something is actually not you're beginning, right? And so you're not good at it yet. And that's how you get started. If you're getting started and you're not good at it, that's completely fine. Actually, that's the way it works, right? That's the way it works. So all you have to do is just follow some of these tutorials. And what I do is I like to copy and paste. So like copy and paste this code, put it into your editor. So like we'll do that right now. We'll copy and paste it. So we'll go to Python, right? We'll open up a Python book, like Python, and then you paste it, right? So you paste it in, and then you paste that and you run it. And then, so here we go. So we already have, wait, 1 second. Import TensorFlow. So I don't, so I have, so then what about this one? Oh wait, so I don't have this module. So it means that I have to install it, right? That means I have to install it. So is there a pip in here anywhere? Pip? No, there's no, pip install. There's no pips, but you could just say pip install TensorFlow datasets. And so there you go. You're already making progress. That's the way to get started. What happened with subtitles? Oh, I turned them off. I turned them off because people were like, the subtitles aren't, I just turned them off. We could turn them back on if you want. I can turn them back on if you want. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Thank you, sir. Give me clarity. I'll work on this. Sounds good. Happy to help. Calm 2024. How's it going? Welcome on in. Thank you for saying hello. Should I read documentation or watch YouTube videos? Oh, both. Thank you for the likes, you guys. You want to do both. Watch YouTube videos because it's going to help you understand what's available and what's possible, and then you read documentation, and then you follow the docs, and then you want to make sure to start typing it out yourself, because that's what you will be able to do to learn. That will help you learn. All right. Thank you for the likes, you guys. We got to jump back over here. Let's close some of these windows because we got a lot of windows open. Let's close some of that. We're good here. Keep that open. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out where this problem is. It says in the data set. So I might need to, did I have it over here? So we can close some of that. We don't need that open anymore. Close that. All right, keep that going. Okay. Do I need to, I don't think I need to put NumPy. I don't know if I need to do NumPy, but do I need to do torch from NumPy? Is that what I have to? I don't think I do. I'm not sure because I haven't done it this way before, but I don't know. How many hours do you do this per day? Flask guy, usually 1 to 2. Usually 1 to 2 hours. Thank you for the likes, you guys. What does your company do? Oh, PubNub. All right, my company. So you can see here, I don't know if you can see it very well there on the screen, but I'm wearing a shirt. I'm wearing a hoodie, right? It's a hoodie. It's got my company on it. Let's see, PubNub. Check this out. All right, pubnub.com. And then you jump into developers. I like this. So there's a tour. Check this out. We'll do JavaScript. So let's zoom in here. So what you can do is we've got an SDK where you say pubnub.subscribe to channel. You click the subscribe button. Oh, we got to make sure to do that. Subscribe. Make sure your channel, make sure to change me, right? This is a tutorial. So we say, hello, right? We can do hello. You can do exclamation points if you want. You don't have to. And you click that. Make your channel match the update. Oh, to my channel. Okay. It wants me to say my channel. That's what it is. All right. So here's the tutorial. Subscribe. Boom. We did it. Guess what? I just subscribed. And look here on the screen. if you grab this QR code, you can control my screen. We've never done this before. Wait, I want to try it. Let's do it. Hold on. I'm really excited. All right, here we go. I'm going to try it. If you grab that QR code right there on the screen and you click the button, you can try it. I'm not even just give it to see if it works. All right, what is this? What did it do? Wait, where it sent me somewhere. All right, so let's see here. Message. All right, publish a message. Is that going to work? Did it work? Let's see. I'm subscribed. Do I need to do anything here? Let's see. What does that do? What does that do? All right. Let's see. Refresh. What does that do? Oh, nope. We don't want to do that. Let's go back. Okay. Okay. Looks good. Click that button. This should work. Oh. I'm not seeing. Okay. We need to upgrade our website. There's something happening here. All right. Let's see here. It looks good. Press enter. Publish. Is it? Or send a signal? I'm not seeing. Okay. Oh, wait. Is it my channel though? Oh, I found the bug. It looks like this. Here we go. We're click. Just hyphen. There we go. Hyphen. Okay. Now we're good. Look at that. Yeah, see? Check it out. I found the bug. There you go. So that's what that does. So you can send. So I'm doing it on my phone here, right? So you can see I'm sending a message. Right? You see that? Type. Boom. Type. So that's what we do. We've got this API that connects devices everywhere on the planet. And your device connects to the closest continent where our data centers exist, so you get a really fast performance. So like the moment I press my finger on the button, you can see it pop up there. Isn't that fast? That's really fast. I think it's really fast. That's super fast. Super fast. I think it's really cool. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. So that's what the company does. If you think about it, PubNub is not a safe search term. I know what you're talking about. It's not. I know. We've had some issues for when you're streaming and sharing a screen. Yeah, I know what you're describing. I know exactly what you're describing. But yep, we've had that issue. It's definitely not built with Python. You got it. It's built with C and Rust. You guys. C and Rust. Thank you for all the likes. So yeah. So that's actually a really easy way. Thank you for the likes. So there's another tutorial over here. So you click on the next one. Oh wait, let's go back. All right. So you can click on subscribe. Say change me to my channel. There we go. Subscribe, and then yep, that's what we just did. We did that one. So we click next, and then we can click publish here. So you could also do it from within the browser. You can do it right here within the browser, just like that. So you can see I'm clicking the button. So there you go. There's the answer. It really is. Rust is the GOAT, isn't it? Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Rust is amazing. In fact, we have migrated most of our code over to Rust, and we've netted so many performance benefits. It's been so great. I tried scanning the QR code, but I can't send a signal. Yeah, it's because, hello from Eddie. Oh, check that out. Right there. Hello from Eddie. See, the problem is there's a bug on the page. There's a bug. So here we go. Check it out. Hello from Eddie. You did it. Someone from chat, you did it. You sent a message. See, it's real. We're not pretending here. It's all real. Oh, Flask Guy. There we go. Flask Guy, check it out. Hey, Flask Guy. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so you control my screen now. You control my screen. So that's how that works. And it works basically everywhere. So you're connecting to a different data center than me, and we have this global replication protocol that we've patented, and we've got a registered patent, and it works across all of Amazon's availability zones. It works really well, so it's really cool. Linux and Rust are odds. Yes, with C++. Yep, you got it. Hello from Eddie Legendary. Yo, Eddie Legendary. You did it. Eddie, we did it, you guys. Isn't that cool? Yeah, so that's how that works. I'll stay there. But yeah, I do need to go over here. The QR code in my channel, it needs to be my _ channel, not my hyphen channel. That's where the bug was. I need to go and say that there's a bug with the tutorial. Let me double check. See here. See subscribe. Yeah, so it's going to be me. So it says subscribe, but see this is where the problem is. My hyphen channel versus my _ channel. Let me hear. I'm going to do this really quick. Before we continue, I have to go yell at marketing really quick. I have to yell at marketing, so you won't see anything on the screen. Britt, because I'm doing a thing. Hold on one second. I've got Slack open. It's on the other side. You can't see it. Marketing. Here we go. Bug on what is it? Tour, bug on tour. Here we go, bug on tour. The bug is bug on tour. While showing on video, found a bug. Here we go. Channel name is wrong in QR code. My hyphen channel versus my underscore channel. There we go. All right, we fixed it. All right, well, someone will fix it. Well, someone will fix it, you guys. Thank you so much for all the likes. Appreciate it. I appreciate all the likes, you guys. There we go. Appreciate all the likes. See here, it's publish. We're looking good. Yep, we are. We're looking good. As you, I see, got it to work. You did? Cool. Hello, everybody. I'm sending this message from the past. Or is it the future? I can never remember. I don't know who sent that. Who sent that message? We don't know because it's anonymous. If you want it to be, hey, bro, can you tell some ways to get software development clients easily that can pay $5,000 to $10,000? Yes, you want to get into AI. You want to automate some businesses with AI, and you can do that really well if you use something called function calling and tool use. Benefits of being the founder. You got it. He didn't have to raise a ticket for this. I just sent a Slack message. I just sent a Slack message. That's all I did. Here, I wonder if I could show you guys. Here, actually, yeah, so you might be able to see it. So here, I sent the Slack message. I don't know. Can't see where that is. But I'm scared to put it all the way over. Actually, you know what? That's probably fine. It's probably fine. But yeah, I sent it here on the Slack message. Yep, that's all we had to do. That's all we had to do, you guys. Let's send the Slack message. All right. So now we do have some tasks here. We need to actually get this to work. I'm really excited to get this work because we could profit. We could profit from this, you guys. All we have to do is figure out what broke. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Thank you for the likes. And we're going to jump back into this AI algorithm. Let's do it. Okay, so where is our problem here? Dataset, assert, user, site package, size, tensor size. Okay, so list object has no attribute size, but that is in the data set. So it is actually erroring out on line 65. All right, so 65. Let's go to that right here. Oh, look at that. Okay, we've got good news. I think we know exactly how to fix that. Let's jump over here really quick. So I think it's right here. So we probably need to put NumPy around it, maybe, or we need to do just torch, maybe new torch. So what we could do is just throw NumPy around it and do this. Let's throw NumPy around it. I think we could do it like this. All right, so float versus long. Oh, interesting. Float versus long. We need to pay attention to that. That is a thing. Okay, so here like this, like that. We go like features array, like this, like that, and then we're gonna put NumPy around it like this. np.array. There we go, like that. Did we import NumPy? I don't think we did. NumPy as np. There we go. All right. Oh, no. Yeah, okay. So then we did that one. Now we need to do labels as well. Actually, you know what? Just to make it so it's easier to read, we're going to do this so we can pipe it around a little bit easier. Paste that and did this. We need to do a long. It's got to be long over here, right? Long like that. There we go. Do you think that's going to work? I think that might work now. I think it's going to be better. Let's find out. Did we fix it? Is it going to work now? Is it going to train? I don't know. I don't know. There's so many things that could go wrong. There's so much code that's untested here. Okay, so we got a problem. We already got a problem. Features float. Wait, NumPy. Wait, can't convert np into array to. Because it's a string. Oh right. We don't need to do that step. Whoops. All right, let's see here. We don't need to do that. We're being silly. There's no way to do that. There's no way to do it. There's absolutely no way because it's text, right? This is text data. So it can't be a tensor data set. It can't be. So we've got a problem. Tensor data set. We need a different kind of data set. I think it's got to be something else. Or we have to do it ourselves differently. I think that might be what it is. Or we have to embed it before. We might have to embed it before. So we have to change things around, you guys. We might have to change things around. Do you guys need interns? I'm currently majoring in computer science. 100 level. Thank you for asking. We currently don't have any open roles for interns, but when we do, I'll post it on our Discord channel. You guys, thank you for all the likes. Codes in Python 10% helps people 90%. Yep, Eddie Legendary. Yep, that's what we got to do. That's basically what we got to do. Embeddings to the rescue. I think that's what it is. I think that's what we got to do. I'm pretty sure. I am pretty sure. Here we go. All right, thank you for the likes, you guys. All right, let's jump. So we have to, I'm pretty sure we have to embed first, right? We got to embed everything first. We got to embed it first. All right. Thank you for the likes. Or what are we going to do here? How are we going to take care of that? I think we have to do it here. So what we probably could do is after we embed it with this, we can convert it. So, but this is a forward. This is a forward, and it's taking text data. It's taking text data. So we might want to figure out how do we do that. So these are features, right? Features and right. So this is our tensors to device. So what we could do is, I think I have a better idea. Instead of using data, instead of doing this, because we need to be able to get, I want progress. I want to see progress. It's nice of you to help people with your free time. Eddie Legendary, happy to help. What language is this? This is Python. You can see right here on the screen, right up here, it says there's some Python right here. We got some Python. This is the Python programming language, the premier programming language if you're doing data science and artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's the best one, you guys. How do you get into your LinkedIn channel? Oh, you want to get to LinkedIn? All right, so I'll paste it on Discord. I'll paste the LinkedIn on Discord. Do I have it here? No, I don't. I don't have it. I think. All right, so let's go over here. I have it set up here. So here is, oh, not that. That's not it. Let's see. Let's go to, let's see, over. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Where is it? No, that's the patents. We don't want patents. We want just the regular, because we got all our patents over here. Up here, over here, details. And then Steve, right, that, boom. All right. This is the link. There we go. LinkedIn, there we go. Hide all the secret messages. And then I'll put it over here in Discord. I'll put it in Discord chat. There we go. It is in Discord. There we go. Yes, definitely nice of you to make coding fun. Always get excited about projects when I see your energy as you have been doing it for so long. Thank you for saying. That's really good feedback. I appreciate it. Thank you for mentioning. I meant what language do you speak? Oh, this is English, right? What? That's it. Just English. I have no. Sorry, I mean Discord. Oh, the Discord link. Oh, sorry. Yes. Okay. Sorry about that. You got it, you guys. All right. So let me paste that in for you real quick. Akin, let me paste that in for you. 1 second. I will paste that in for you right here. So let me copy that link. Here you go. There it is. There is the Discord link just for you. You got the Discord link. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. All right, let's jump back into our code here. So instead of doing shuffle, we're going to demote this. And we basically did this. I think we're good here. I'm pretty sure we're good here. I think we can, let's see here. We're going to do green check mark. Yeah, I think we did that one. This one is still up in the air. We still don't know. We still don't know if it's possible. We don't know yet. We know it's possible, but we have to change up. We have to change how we're doing it. We have to change how we're doing it, you guys. So we'll do that differently. Instead of this, so let's go ahead and comment this out. Let's comment all this out and save it for later. We'll save that for later. So we don't need this. So we also don't need that. So let's bring this back in. And then instead of we actually still do want to batch though. That's the thing. We want to batch it though. So you know what? I've got a better idea. Let's do this. We can do this. Wait, didn't we have a really good batcher? We had a really good batcher previously. That we already wrote on stream. We could just use that, you guys. So cool seeing experienced developers coding. You got it. That's the plan. Join the Discord. Thank you, Eddie. Thank you, Eddie, for mentioning it. Join the Discord, you guys. That's the way to do it. All right, Mr. Dongwall, I think there is a inbuilt thing for shuffling for data sets. Yes, there is, and we used it. We used it right here. It's called Shuffle True. But we're having problem with the DataLoader because the data set is a tensor data set. Wait, let's see if there's a different kind of data set. Tensor data set, but I have strings as my features. Is there a better way? So using strings directly in features tensor set is generally not optimal for machine learning models because obviously we can't do it like that. But we can do it like, so we got strings, we got label encoder. No, that's not what, okay, so it didn't quite get it right. That's not what I was asking. Tensor data set, different data set types. Let's see if there's, we've got in PyTorch. PyTorch, tensor dataset, alternatives. Let's see if there's some alternatives. Yo, what's up? Potish, how's it going? PyTorch dataset is a convenient way to wrap multiple tensors in a dataset. Yep, in a data loader. But, however, my data loader is going to be something different. I need tensor, or we've got a tensor dictionary. Provides a dictionary-like structure for handling collections of tensors. Nope. Okay, so I've got, why is it called shuffle and not parallelizing? Because it is, it's actually randomizing your input, now your training data, right? So your features and labels, your input data and your target data, right? So it's going to shuffle that and keep it all aligned. So that's the thing, you got to keep the data aligned. And that's, it's shuffle because it's randomizing it, right? It's randomizing it. And parallelizing it would mean that it's going to be doing some work computationally at the same time. And in this case, it's not doing that. That particular function is just shuffling the data. It's just shuffling the data, everyone. So a data loader, can I do data loader with strings? It says data set. I want to see what kind of data sets are available. It's probably not, iterable data set? Iterable data set, maybe. Let's see here. Let's take a peek. Maybe this is something we can use here. Oops. Oh yeah, there's a hackathon. Just in case you didn't know, it ends today. Today's the last day to get your hackathon prize in, or your project in. I forgot all about this. And today's the last day, isn't it? Wait, let me double check. Let's go back over here. Let's go to the hackathon channel. When is the expiration? It is today. Submission deadline is today. Is the last day to get your hackathon. If you forgot to add it in, no worries. We'll probably have a hackathon later in the future. We got a lot of submissions, everyone. And good job for those who submitted. We've got prizes. We've got enough prizes for everyone, actually. And we are going to be reviewing those next week. Can I send binary code? Eddie Legendary, I'd actually be kind of curious. Might as well send it away. We'll see what happens. All right. So what I wanted to do was, what was I even doing here? Where was I? What was I? Let's double check. What was happening? I wanted to. Why did I go into? Oh no, I didn't. I was over here. I needed to go into our. It's called this right here. This is it right here. Okay, so it's called model. This is it. So we've got all of our code. This is our shuffle code right here. We wrote this live on stream and it works very well. Right here. That's all it takes is just this little smidgen right here. You just need this little smidgen of code. That's it right here. Isn't that crazy? So we could probably do this. So we could copy and paste. So we got epochs already, and then let's do batches and we're good to go. And we can probably grab this right here, I think. That's it. I think we're good with that. And so we don't need to use dataset anymore. Let's see here. Let's close that. Wait, undo. There we go. Okay. Okay. Now what we're going to do is set paste, P-A-S-T-E, and then we're going to paste that in. Set no paste. There we go. So we bring that back. Now we can go over here. Let's bring that back twice. Okay. And then all we have to do is get the right inputs and outputs. Already joined your channel. Great to hear. Thank you for mentioning it. Souffle Coco. I'm so indoctrinated with working for banking and medical solutions that I literally cannot even picture you as a potential CTO of the company I'm part of. That would be so cool. I know. I think so too. Thank you for mentioning that. Yep, that's right. We are in the role of CTO at my company, and I often help debug or help assist teams. And in fact, I'm streaming right now when I should be working on a very specific bug that happened because we had to roll back some code the other day. And I do want to get back over to that. I'll be waiting for the entry-level intern. Cool. Sounds good. We'll let you know. Thanks for all the likes, you guys. So we're almost there. All we have to do is just do a little bit of data operations here, and then we should be able to get it into our inputs and targets. We should be able to do that. So do I already have our features and labels? So we got our inputs and targets here, which are going to be features, labels. We're going to stochastic. We got and the length of the features. Perfect. Permutation. I think that's good. We've got NumPy. We're good to go there. We've got NumPy. So we got our inputs and targets, features and labels. I think that's it. There's nothing else we got to do there. Right? So all we have to do is now we got the features and we got the batch size. What is our batch? So we need the batch size. So I think we'll just say, yep, batch 4. Perfect. Batch 4, perfect. There we go. Okay. Eddie Legendary says, I sent the binary, you think? Okay. Or the link, you sent the binary link? Let's take a little quick. Let's take a quick peek. Where'd you send it? Wait, where did you send it? Where did you send it, you guys? Oh, wait. You sent the binary, I think. Oh, hey, Michael, how's it going? Welcome on in. We're building ourselves our own algorithmic trading AI with Python today. And we almost got there. We got all the data. We got it in the right shape. Now we just need to put it into our model. And our model is we're using PyTorch transformers with the Gemma embedding for sentiment analysis. I'm really excited. I've never done this before. Is it going to work good or not? I don't know. I think it's going to work very well. I think it'll work very well. Okay, so we need this to be inputs like that, and then we need this over here to be target. There we go. Not targets, just target. There we go. Just target. All right, target and inputs. So is that it? Is that all we have to do? I think that might be all we have to do. We might have done it. Is it for real? I meant the chat. Maybe it's too long. Let me send it in Discord. Yes, it won't show up in YouTube because it might be too big. I didn't see it in YouTube. Redon Hammond. LOL. What do you mean? What's funny? Michael, I'm cool. I'm enjoying your stream and have been clocking. You've been clocking a few things. That's good. That sounds like you're making progress. That sounds like you're making progress. That's great to hear. How do you know what to write for code? Oh, Steve Yang, 1744 or 1740, sorry. Steve Yang, how do we know what to write the code for? Just over many years here's the deal. What you got to do is have a target, goal. You want to set a goal. So what we thank you for the likes, you guys. Sent in general. Cool, Eddie Legendary. Thank you. Thank you so much for sending in general. I will check it out here in a bit. So you set a goal. So you see here on the screen, what we did was we wrote out a plan of attack. And you'll note there's no code here. It's just all text. It's all text. Yes, it's markdown format. Yeah, it's markdown format. But that's fine. It's still text, right? And so we made a plan, and then we implemented the plan. In order to get the data into the right shape and to have the right output targets, we needed to write some code to do that. So we wrote the code to do that here. Here's the code, download.py. So we wrote the code here to prepare our data. And our data looks like this. See, here's our training data, which includes all our features and labels, which just means our input data to the model and the expected output, right? Features is the input and labels is the expected output. That's how you train a model. That's how you train an AI. You give it the input data, and then you have the answers. And then you say, okay, AI model, give me the answer to this question over here. It gives you the answer. It gets it wrong. And then you say, oh, you're wrong, but make a correction by this little amount. And then you do that again in a giant for loop, and it runs for a really long time. And then it trains the AI to know all the things. Michael invited you. What model are you training? Code with Gabriel. Thank you for asking. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. We are coding our own algorithmic trading AI with Python using PyTorch transformers. I'm really excited. I think it's going to be really cool. Gemma just for sentiment is probably overkill. I know, isn't it? But we're going a step further. So we got our prices and headlines, but we also grabbed some extra data. We grabbed the summary as well. And then we have our delta. So you can see here, that's a 0.23% gain in the price difference over 5 minutes. So if you spent, say, let's just say in this case, $100,000, you would make $257 in 5 minutes. In just 5 minutes. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Yo, man, how are you doing? I'm home alone again. Kevin McAllister is here, and he's home alone. His family is on vacation in New York City or somewhere. They're somewhere, and they forgot Kevin McAllister at home. He's home alone again. Welcome back in, Kevin McAllister. Good to see you. Happy Friday. Steve Yang, what makes it different compared to other code languages, and why not just use one language? So Python is just a really clean language. Because it's so simple and clean and easy to access, it's been taken over from a data science community where you have scientists scientists who are not generally computer scientists, but there might be physics scientists or analytics engineers. They captured and gained attention on Python because of how clean and simple it is to use. Also, Python has a lot of libraries that are purposely built for data science. And so it has become a very attractive language for data science. In fact, Python is now the premier language for all data science and artificial intelligence, because libtorch, which is PyTorch, which is what we're using, is the same AI framework that is the large language models that you're familiar with, like OpenAI, ChatGPT. That's how that was built, and we're using the same technology to profit on the stock market, you guys. That's what we're gonna do here. That's the plan. You just might as well use the most advanced AI algorithms and frameworks in the world to profit off the stock market. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can make it happen. So Steve Yang, you say, how can I get vocabulary and understand what each word is supposed to be used for, and the structure to be, thank you for Alexa, you guys, in a coding structure. So good news. I've got good news for you. Most of the terminology, check this out. Most of the terminology is just fancy words for array. That's it. Almost every single terminology item, like features, labels, stochastic gradient descent, the gradients. What's a gradient? They're all matrices. They're all arrays. They're all two-dimensional arrays. They're the same thing. It's just they created words that are assigned to each of the uses for the arrays. They're all arrays. They're all numbers. That's all they are. They're just numbers. You guys, thank you for the likes. I appreciate it. Eddie Legendary, you need to go by. Hope the binary works. Oh, sorry, I missed it. Let me see here. Oh, I have no idea what. I can see you don't have a whole lot there. But okay. Hey, wait, it's KO'd. Hey, KO'd. I see you here. On the Discord. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. Let's see. Go check. So we go over here. We say wave. We get a wave there, and then it's going. And say at sh. Wait, no. SHEN at SHEN. There we go. Is it this one? Yes. Hello. Okay. The binary is text. Oh, is it? Okay. Well, we can decode that. Easy. We can decode this easy. Yeah, you can see because it's not on high ordinals. You can see it's not using the last one. So it's probably in the range of 128. It's in the range of 128, which looks like text. It really looks like text. Should we decode it? Should we decode Eddie's text? I think we should. Well, so here's the plan. We'll decode the text. And wait, let's see if we can do this. Actually, before we decode Eddie's text, let's run this one more time. Is this going to work? I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to try it. We'll see if it works. What is good starting job for a data scientist? Oh, Steve Yang? That's a good point. So every business now, modern businesses, thank you for the likes, you guys. They all need a data scientist that most businesses have data science. They need data science because if they don't, they're running behind because everyone else is doing it. So you can almost any place, any company. Kitty Giggle. What's used for AI? Lisp or Python? Python. It's Python. You could use Lisp, but that would be a mistake. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Don't use Lisp for AI. That would be a mistake. What company is always taking? Oh, always taking. Oh, see, that's the thing. I would bet probably some of the. I actually don't know. I really don't know. I bet I'm why Kitty Giggle. Or why Python? It's the premier language for data science and artificial intelligence. It's used by the industry as the premier language. That's why. It's just most common. You could use Lisp if you wanted to for AI, though that's a lot of parentheses, right? That's a lot of parentheses. Can you make MNIST Visual Basic? You could. You totally could. You can do computer vision with Visual Basic. You can. Would be fun stream. Got to make everything yourself. You would, Kevin McAllister. You are absolutely right. Kitty Giggle, thanks. Happy to help. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. All right, let's see if we can jump back to it. So, oops, I got to redock my window there. There we go. Dock the window. Let's decode Eddie's text here. Okay. How do we want to do that? You know what? We could cheat. We could cheat and we can just find a binary decoder. I started as a data analyst building call forecast for DirecTV. You did? Ralph, you did? That's actually kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Satellite technology building call forecast for DirecTV. Do it in Vim. We could, okay. It's Kevin McAllister, do it in Vim. All right, we'll see here. We'll see. There's got to, let's, all right, so, vi, all right. Oh, so we've got our binary here. Let's see. This will be, let's see, binary string equals this. Here we go. Binary string. So there we go. Oh, binary.py. Let's just do that. So we got our binary string here, like that. And then we could do, or binary, let's do binary array like this. And then we say dot split. I think we could do that. Let's do that. And then here, text string done. Binary array, print text done. Where we go. We didn't cheat or anything. Don't worry. It auto-generated the code for us. But let's run that. All right, you guys ready? All right, so is it binary? Okay, Python. What's it gonna say? No, you got to convert it to Vim. Wait, convert it in Vim. Just use it like ROT13 in Vim. Wait, it's not we don't need to do ROT13. Oh, do we? Wait, why do you want ROT13? Why do you want to do ROT13? Why do you want to encode it? Hey, Steven. Hey, how's it going, Bish? How's it going, Bish? Happy to see you here. Welcome back. Good to see you. AI isn't going anywhere unless we start using base 3 or quantum computing. Binary computing limits AI too much. Oh, you're right, Sage. You're right. You're right, Sage. I'm really excited for quantum AI. Quantum AI is going to be really cool. Scare VR. We are making our own AI algorithmic trading model. We're using Python, and we're going to be using it with PyTorch Transformer and Gemma embedding. I'm really excited for that. Nice. Yeah, I think so too. I have friends at home today. 3 a.m. here. Oh, super. Oh, you're okay. You've got just came here to say hi and thank for the live stream. Cool. It's good to see you. Thank you. Happy Friday or Saturday because it's Saturday now, 3 a.m. Bye, Steven. Cool. Good to see you. No, you don't need to do ROT13. There's a method in Vim to do ROT13. Is there? Wait, is there really? I think there's one to convert binary too. Really? Wait, I didn't know about that. Are you serious? Let's do that. Use Vim to convert binary string to ASCII. Let's see. How do you do that? Okay, so we got our binary. Oh, look at that. I had no idea you could do that. Is the pattern to search for, creates capturing group, matches exactly 8 characters. Okay. Whoa. I didn't know you could do that. In fact, we could do it right now. Let's do that. All right, you guys ready? Wait, let's go over here. Wait, hold on. Nope, that's not what nope. Here we go. Okay. Let's bring that back. All right. Let's see it go. Oh, it didn't work. So wait, why didn't that work? I'm serious. Look up ROT13 also. Okay. Yeah, but we don't need to do ROT13. We need to do binary conversion. We need to do binary, right? But you could do ROT13 as well in Vim. ROT13 in Vim command. Let's do that. Let's check that one out too. Wait, are you kidding me? No way. Are you serious? All right, let's try it. Oh, wait, GGG question mark. Oh, no. Wait. Okay. Let's just try it. So it's keystrokes. 1, 2, 3, question mark G. It worked. You're right, Kevin McAllister. Look at that. It did ROT13 only for the alphabet though, not for the letters, or sorry, the numbers. Only for the letters, not for the numbers. I didn't know you could do that. Look at this. ROT13 right there. That's crazy. Look at that. You were right, Kevin McAllister. I didn't know you could do that. That's probably really confusing if you accidentally press GGG question mark G, right? GGG, right? That would be that. Like if you accidentally click that button, you know what? I probably have done that before. I'm like, what happened to my text? Why did it change like that? And then I just undid it right away. I'm like, what's going on there? That's crazy. I didn't know you could do that. That's amazing. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. Learning new things every day. Every day we're learning new things. All right, let's see if we can convert this in Bash here using, here we go. Is that going to work? No. Oh, wait. Oh, here, let's try it here. Oh, So it kind of worked. Here, what we need to do is we need to go like this. We need to, here, I've got an idea. Let's copy and paste it. Let's bring this over here. All right. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. And then we need to grab the space and then just get rid of it. And then there we go. So now we should be able to run that command. We should be able to run that command using Vim directly. I didn't know you could do that. Thank you so much for all the likes, everyone. All right, let's see if we can do it. Here we go. Hello, Steven. Hello, Eddie. Hello, Steven. Look at that. That's so cool. Look, right there. Hello, Steven. That's so cool. We did it. We're right there using Vim. Here, let's actually, so let's grab that. Let's go / like this. We'll grab that as a highlight, and then we'll show the command that we use. We'll show the command that we use. Check this out. There's the command, and there's the text that says hello. We did it. Check it out. We have to copy and paste that. All right, here we go. Reply, paste, ta-da. Thank you at Eddie. Is it Eddie is in here? Let's double check. Is it Eddie? Wait, hold on. Let's make sure we get the right. We got to make sure we get the right one. Who's this? It's this. I'm going to say Eddie Legendary. Okay, I know. I remember. At ED. There we go. Eddie Legendary. Perfect. We did it. All right. There we go. Cool. I didn't know you could do that. That's crazy. Kevin, when did you start learning Vim? That's a really good question because I didn't even know you could do those things. So I'm Kevin McAllister. You know your Vim, don't you? Ralph, message should said, don't forget to drink your Ovaltine. That's right, because Home Alone, you guys. Kevin McAllister is Home Alone. Don't forget to drink your Ovaltine. Hey, how's it going? Louv? How's it going, J. Louv? Hey, welcome on in. Happy Braxy. How many hours in base Python should I get before moving to Selenium? Start with Selenium right now. There's no reason to get any base hours at all in Python. Just immediately jump into Selenium. Why wait? Especially now that you have ChatGPT. That can help you write the code for you. There you go. That's the way you do it. Let's see here. Okay, so let's get rid of, there we go. Let's close that out. And then we'll just close that for now. Okay. Close this. Okay, so we do have to get going because I have some actual work that I got to pay attention to. But for now, let's see if we can, did it work? Okay, epochs is not defined. We're getting closer, you guys. We're getting closer. Epochs, here we go. Wait. Epochs 10. Let's just do 10. We'll just do 10. Perfect. We'll do 10 epochs, you guys. We'll do 10 epochs. B2R, to be honest, I'm not that good. Mostly, I've used Vim motions in Visual Studio Code. In VS Code, that's the way to do it. Not Owen, hey, how's it going? Those dirty clankers taking my jobs before they make me rich from my stocks. I'll be heated. Yep, I know. These AIs are taking over everything. We love those AIs. I love those AIs, you guys. They're great. But they're also they're taking our jobs. Don't worry, they're actually going to help you a lot. It's just a temporary dip, but it's all coming back, and it's going to come back with force. It's going to be amazing. Hey, what's this stream about? Okay. So we're building an algorithmic trading AI using Python and PyTorch transformer using the Gemma embedding model. And our inputs are going to be historical price data, news headlines, and maybe foreign policy events. We haven't grabbed that yet, but that's a future to-do item. Our signals or our target outputs will be supervised learning to sell, hold, or buy signals. So we'll have an output classification layer, PyTorch transformer with a Gemma embedding input layer. That's what we built, and now we're trying to train the model. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to train the model. So we're almost there. We almost got it. And then once we get it and we start the training process, we'll see how it works. Is it going to work? Did we get it? Is it going to have another error? I don't know. We got another error. No. Well, we'll figure it out. Oh, this actually, okay, I think we can figure this out. So it looks good. Do you have VODs for previous stream save? Yes, you got it. All the VODs are saved. All the video on demand, Stephen Blum YouTube. And then you click here on Stephen Blum YouTube, and then you go on live, and you can zoom in, and you can see we did algorithmic trading day 3, and this part 1, part 2, and day 2, right? And then I did day 1. There we go. And that was on Tuesday. That was 3 days ago. So we almost have it there. We almost got the model trained. I really want to see how good it does. Hey, how's it going? Arnab. How's it going, Arnab? Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. I'm going to go sleep, guys. Kevin McAllister, see you. I'll see you later, Steven. Cool. Thank you so much, Kevin McAllister. You made our day better for being here. Looking forward to seeing you next time. We'll be back on Monday. You guys. So thank you for the likes. Hope you liked my little puzzle. I did. I thought that was really cool. And thanks so much, Eddie Legendary. Okay, you guys, let's see if we can fix this last bug here. What is our last bug? Thank you for the likes, you guys. Inputs, features, stochastic. Only integer scalar arrays can be converted to a scalar index. All right. Okay. So that is a, how do we, so let's print this out really quick. We'll say print stochastic. And then we will break. And then we'll be done there. We'll break and we'll be done. Let's see, because we have to figure it out. So it seems like it had a problem here, right? On targets, on line 81, it was, let's see here, 81, features, right here, features. Okay, so it was this right here I had a problem with. Okay, we can figure that out. Monday at what time? Maybe around 12 p.m., or around 12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Pacific time zone, around 12 p.m. is what we're thinking. All right, let's see here. Down. So that was here we go. We're going to do this. Let me rename this train.py. So we got that. We're good to go there. All right, so let's see what our stochastic looks like. What does our stochastic look like? Once we get this, we're good to go. And then we'll be wrapping up for Friday. And thank you for everyone for joining. Once we get this going here. Okay, so that's what that looks like. That looks good to me. That looks very good to me. I think we are looking good. So so our features here. Let me double check. Oh, thank you for the likes, you guys. I'm pretty sure this is fine. I'm pretty sure. So why? Let's go back to some of our code. We have to review some of the code that we wrote previously. Where's that at? Where is that at? Was it here? No, it's not here. All right. So, what we could do is we can go. It's in our Discord. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. So let's go back to our free. Here we go. And it is not that one. It is going to be around here somewhere. It's one of these. Here it is. I found it. Visit site. Okay, here we go. So we just need to grab the model. And then we need to take a look here. Okay, so features. I'm pretty sure this is fine. For layer, blah, 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 layer, stochastic, random. It looks good. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. So what we need to do is just take a peek on why this part is having a problem. It should be perfectly fine. Oh, interesting. Input. Okay, no, that's fine. That looks good. All right, let's jump back to our code here. We'll figure it out. I know we will, because we will succeed. We will succeed. All right, let's try printing this here as well. So let's do inputs. We'll try inputs. Thank you for the likes, you guys. All right, let's then break down here, and it will probably crash. It'll probably crash because it had a problem right here. So this should totally work perfectly fine, right? So, but features, let's see. What is our features? Where is that? It's right here. It looks fine. That looks completely fine, right? Doesn't apply nearest k neighbor, or the k nearest neighbor algorithm. Oh, Sammy, thank you for asking about that. I don't think we need to do that. We don't need to do that one. I'm pretty sure. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. I'm pretty sure we don't need to use k-means nearest neighbor. K-means. I don't think we have to do k-means nearest neighbor because we have already identified all of our data set. We already have our data set identified, so we don't need to do that. All right, so integer scalar arrays can be integer scalar arrays can be converted to a scalar index. Really? Okay, so does that mean that we have to do something different here? Okay. So how do we go about that? Thank you for our likes, you guys. So if we do that, so if this is saying that in that case, so let's try this. Actually, we need to try this. We need to do this really quick. We need to open up Python to debug this. We got to Python debug this. And then I have to get going and do some extra work. Import numpy as np. And then we go paste. And then we don't have features, but we'll just say like 10. We don't need 10. We just go like this. Here we go. That is an indentation error, which is really okay. And then we'll just copy and paste this here really quick. Looks good there. Okay, so then what we could do is, so we say 1, 2, 3, right? And then we bring that in here, and we should see a number. It should return a randomized index only. So interesting. Is it because it needs to be NumPy? Is it because it needs to be NumPy? Is that what's going on? Maybe you need to transform it. Yeah, you're right. We do. I think we need to transform it. You're right. Import NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. Wait, we already did that though, right? We already have it. Okay, so what we can do is check this out. np.array. Is this going to be the trick? No. Wait. Oh, because I got to type it properly. I got to type it correctly. Okay, let's clear the screen. Out of range. I know why. Okay, that means it worked. That means we figured it out. The problem. We did have to transform it this whole time. Isn't that cool? So the answer is 3. So we just check this out. Wait. That should have worked. Hold on. Wait. Let's print out stochastic. What does that say? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, right there. 1, 2, 3. So stochastic is 1, 2, 3. Perfect. We're looking good there. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. This should work. Oh no, it won't, because here we go. np.array again, right? That's what we got to do right here. And now, there we go. That solved it, you guys. All right, here we go. We are gonna figure it out. We figured it out. We're gonna figure this out. It's because it's not native Python. That's why I never knew about this. When we learned this earlier this week, is because it's not native Python. The whole time I didn't even know. Watch this. Boom, boom, fixed, right? Boom, boom, fixed. I don't even need to worry about that anymore. Got to do the same thing here. Same thing right here. Fixed. There we go. We did it. All right. Are we ready? Yo, let's go. Thank you. That's actually right. We had to transform it. We didn't have it in the right shape. I had encountered this previously, so I remembered it. Thank you. Thank you for your memory. You saved us. You saved the day. Thank you so much. All right, here we go. All right, let's see. All right, Python train. Is it going to work this time? We got really far. I don't see why it wouldn't work now. Okay, is it going to train? It's doing it. It's not crashing. Oh, damn it. No. All right, where did it fail? Not NumPy in the array. Must be tensor. All right, target argument position must be a tensor. Okay, so I think we can figure this out. It's just we're almost there. We almost have it. Okay, thank you for all the likes, you guys. So we have the array. We've got the data. We've done stochastic. We've shuffled the data and it's gotten the right shape. Right, we got the targets in the right shape. So now all we have to do, since this is the batch right here, right? So the batch size is going to be 4, right? And then we looks good there. That'll totally work. That totally works. All right. So in features, looking good. All right, here we go. It's so close. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. We're so close. All we have to do is just finish this one little bit. I'm pretty sure it might, no, it's not target. It's not target. I think it's this part right here. I think this is the part we need to fix. I'm pretty sure. Let's double check. Line 90, it says. Line 90. It's this one. Targets. Oh, is it? Is it really? Targets. So targets and inputs. It's right here. Okay. So it says this is the problem. How do we fix that? Lost criterion. All right. I actually don't know how to fix this. Uh-oh. We've got some issues. How do we fix this here? Let me look through the code here. Let me read through some of this. It says maybe must be tensor, not NumPy. Okay, so if it needs to be a tensor, we need to move this. Okay, I got it. So we need to convert this into a tensor. That's all we have to do is we have to convert it into a tensor. How do we do that? How do we convert that into a tensor? So we just need to look up PyTorch tensor and then to device. Is it to device? No, we don't need it to be on a device. I think we can just do it like this. It could be on a CPU, right? Just on a CPU because we've got targets and we got our output. And the model, I believe, let's really open. Okay, we're getting close. I think we're figuring it out. So the model returns classifier pooled. Would this include, let's see here, clamp? Okay, so that, I think we're fine with that. Okay. I think we're good. So all we have to do is convert targets into a tensor. How do we do that? All right. PyTorch, convert NumPy to tensor. How do we do that? That's all we got to do. Let's see here. From torch.from numpy. Okay. Is that it? Is that all we got to do? All right. Let's make it easy. Let's make it super easy. We'll just do it right here. Boop. Like that. Just like that. Okay. Let's run it again. Are we gonna get it this time? Are we gonna get it this time, chat? Is this gonna be the end? Did we do it successfully? We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out if it works. Nope, just kidding. Just kidding. Expected floating point type for target with class probabilities and got a long. Okay, so it wants the cross entropy loss to be not. Okay, I got it. We can fix that. We can fix that, right? We can do that, right? So point, we just put, right? You do this, dot. You just put a dot at the end of the number, right? Is that all it is? Is that all you got to do? Well, something like that. Is it going to be happy now? Do you think it's going to be happy? I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be happy now or not. We're going to find out. We're going to find out, you guys. Let's see if it works this time. And if it does, okay. Oh, wait. All right, we made progress. Expected all tensors to be on the same device, but found at least 2 devices. We got an MPS and a CPU. Okay, so I think we have to move. So this is a NumPy thing. Let's see. So we can move that to device. How do we do that? Move it to device. How do we move that to device? Let's figure it out. All right, let's figure out how do we move this to device. So we need to move this to device. I'm pretty sure we got to move this to device because this is this a CPU? I think this is still in the MPS. So since that's an MPS, we also have to move this to device. So how do we do that? How do we go about that? Let's see here. I think maybe we could do this. Maybe we could do it like this. Let's see here, like that. And then we say target.to device. Something like that, maybe. Is that how we do it? MPS. Here we go. Let's try it. Let's see this. Actually, you know what? That should be good. Did we save it? Let's double check. If we saved it here. Do we have device? Self.device. Did we save it? We do. Okay, so we have it here. Self.device. Wait, but let's double check. Self-device. Here it is. Okay, perfect. It's right there at the top. Okay, so we can say model.device, target.to device. That should do it. All right, did we get it this time? I don't know. I'm suspicious because we have not been working so far. All right, is it going to work now? And then we'll be able to end stream and we'll head off into the wind. Okay, tensor object, no attribute to device. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's do a quick little Google here. Let's Google that real quick. Let's Google this. Let's make sure that we can we need this to, let's see, how do we do this? Device. Yep. So we got device, model.to device, target.to. Oh, okay. Let's try .2. Maybe that's better. Something like that. Let's see here. Like that. Is that better? Thank you for the likes, you guys. Is that it? Is that what we got to do? I don't know. We're going to find out. Thank you for the likes, you guys. We're so close. We are so close. We're just trying to get used to the framework. We're not used to okay. Cannot convert MPS tensor float 64 to MPS framework. Doesn't support float 64. Please use float 32 instead. Well, okay. Okay, sure. It's gotta be something else, doesn't it? It's always gotta be something. We're so close. I know, we're really close. DJ, we're so close. DJ Lex, we're so close. We're so super close. All right, let's copy and paste that here. We're very close. Let's see. Just a few more bits. Oh, so we can do that model.to device to float targets.float.to. Okay, so we just had to add this little bit here. We just have to add that little teeny bit there. Okay. So close. We're so close. All right. Was like that. Float 2. All right. This is silly. I mean, come on. If it doesn't support it, at least automatically convert it for us. It's a framework. It's supposed to be beneficial. All right. Here we go. See, this is why Keras is easier to use. Keras is easier, and you don't run into these like little problems. These little problems. Okay, another problem. Okay. Oh, I thought we took care of that. I thought we took care of that. Okay. Are you sharing the results with your faithful followers? Yeah, we are, DJ. You're right, DJ Lex. So it is a link on our Discord. It is on our Discord. I have the link posted. Thank you guys for the likes. Here is the link on the Discord. It is going to be right here. Here it is. It's right here in our Discord on the free resources channel. In the free resource channel on our Discord. There you go. You can just click that right there on a Discord. Click visit site and you're good to go. And it will be right here. What does this do? 31 counting. 31 counting. So what we're currently building is an algorithmic trading AI with Python that targets a volatile market with lots of news events and high volume. So that way we can do day trading. It's not high frequency trading. It's just day trading where we make some trades throughout the day and make some profits, you guys. I already follow on Discord. Cool. Good to hear. It is in our, in the free resources channel. In the free resource channel. There you go. All right. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. So let's see here. How do we, all right. So we need to, target, it looks good there. Maybe logits. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm wondering what device we have the same problem again. So on what line is this? 92 it says. All right. 92, which is right here, which means that between these two things, one of them is on our GPU and the other is on our CPU. And so we have to convert that. So maybe what we could do is say, can we do logits.to model like this? We do the same thing. We do the same thing here. I wonder if we could. I actually don't know because I'm not familiar with this framework, but let's find out. Let's find out. All right, let's try it. Take your time, Stephen. You are a legend. Thank you. Thank you, DJ Lex. 4627. We're really close. We're really close, you guys. Oh, it says the same thing again. We got the same error. Oh, good. We'll figure it out. And then once we do, we got to wrap up stream and head out because I do got to get to some important things that I'm currently not paying attention to. I follow from Berlin, Germany. You do? Welcome from Germany. Happy to have you here. It's good to have you here, DJ Lex. Thank you for mentioning it. Welcome from Germany. We're over here in the United States in Seattle. We are in Washington State. In Seattle, Washington. We're very close to getting this done. Okay. So is it model.device? Maybe we can say .to CPU. How do we say to CPU? Let's see here. Let's try this. To torch.cpu device. All right. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Not familiar with this part. Is it asking you specifically a device that supports use of the model training or a device where it's supposed to store the outputs? Yeah, it's the storing. It's the data store challenge that we're currently facing. So you know what? Let's double check. I'm going to move it to CPU because I think that's going to be better. I think that's going to be better CPU. Okay, so I think I need to do something like this. This is what I'm missing. Detach.cpu probs. Let's see if I need to do something like that. I think that's the part that I might be missing. So let's see here. Am I doing that? That's what it is. Okay, so it's still okay, interesting. All right, so this part is currently in the GPU. So this part's in the GPU. So I don't need to do this because it's already there. But target should be in the GPU. That's what we need to do. We need to get this into the GPU. So can we do that? How do we do that? I guess that's the problem. That's the thing that we need to do. Let's see if we can make it happen. Let's see here. Can we? So we do two. Where is that at? Here it is. Okay. Let's see if we can get it. Mr. Denmark, what are you saying? What are you saying? You didn't store the modified target back into target unless it does in place. I think it's an in place. I think it's in place. I'm pretty sure it's in place. Pretty sure it's in place. Let's see here. Like that. Boom. All right. Let's see if that works. If that doesn't, then we will try again. We'll try again. And in fact, we'll use the AI here a little bit more to help us out. Okay, so it's the same problem on line 92. Same problem right here. Okay. Okay, we're really close. So because of this, this tells me that the logits itself is on the GPU because this is .2 CPU. So all we have to do, maybe, what if we did this? What if we tried it like this? What if we put it here and go like that? So this, Roman, you might be right. You might be right, Roman. Let's find out. So let's try that. Let's see if that does the trick. It might, or it may or may not. It might cause a whole bunch of other problems. It might be a whole bunch of other problems. Hey, how's it going, ALP5114? Happy to have you in here. Oh, wait. Oh, you were right. Roman, you were right. Check it out, you guys. It's training. It's training. We did it. We solved the thing that we wanted to do. We solved the thing that we wanted it to do for the day. Okay, there we go. We did it, you guys. We did it, and I'm looking at the loss, and I'm seeing it's jumping all over the place, so we need to make some changes. Also, our probabilities, they look weird. They look weird, you guys. Okay, so we've got good news. You're lucky. You are lucky. Good job, and good job, Roman. Hello, what algorithm are you making? We are making AI trading algorithm from with Python and using PyTorch transformer and the GEMMA embedding model. Check it out, you guys. We got it. We got it a step further. We were able to train it on our data. We did it. So now I do see that there is some issues. I see some issues, the probabilities, I guess, on the output, which gives us some things to learn. We need to go back and see. It is giving us some ideas, but the loss, it looks like it is not what I want it to be. Good news is we'll be able to optimize this, and that'll be the plan for Monday's stream. But the good news is, let's run it again just to check it out. Closer. We are closer. You got it. Uvis, we're closer. We're getting there. So we need to make some adjustments to our data to see how it works, because I want to see that loss number stay low. We want to see that loss number low, and then maybe do some other things. Wow, I know we did it. You guys, look, it's so cool. It trains pretty fast too. Look how fast that trains. And it's all running through a GEMMA embedding model. Isn't that crazy? So we're even doing this inefficiently. Do you post code? Yeah, we do. Russell, so let's do that really quick. Get status. Here we go. Get add. Get add train. There we go. And get add readme and download and requirements. Get status. Get commit. And then we did added training. We did it. Let's do that. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. We did it, guys. We did it. Get commit dash amend. Let me do this. Added training. I forgot to add the party poppers. We got to add the party poppers before we push that. All right, push to, there it is. There it is, you guys. We did it. We were successful. Here you go. It's in our Discord. If you want the link, it is in our Discord. Happy everyone here. Thank you for joining in today on Friday, doing our AI algorithm trading with Python. It is so cool. What about R? I know. What about R? R can also work too. You got it, Tiny. You got it, Tiny. It could work as well. We are using Python. We like Python because it's super clean and easy, and it has PyTorch. I think R also supports libtorch as well if you want. And thank you for all the likes, you guys. We did it. Congratulations. We figured it out. Join our Discord if you want the link. It's right here in the free resources channel on our Discord. And we are good to go. We did it, you guys. So the plan for Monday, which will be next week on Monday, we are going to go through and we're going to see how to improve the model. We're going to see if we can make some adjustments. Looking forward to seeing this in use. I know. Head over head. We'll make it happen. I think it'll be really exciting. I think it'd be cool. Can you post the Discord link? Okay, Russell. Okay, we will post the Discord link. Thank you guys for all the likes. We're headed out now, but here's the Discord link really quick. We'll copy that Discord link, you guys, so you can be there in our Discord and you can grab the resources in our resource channel. We did it. Celebrate. We got to celebrate, you guys. We did it. Celebrate. We did it. Okay, thank you everyone for joining. We're headed out now, and now I have to go do some actual work because we did a rollback earlier. And well done. We did it. Well done, Prosper. Thank you, Prosper 101. We're up. W. We did it. Win. We did it, Russell. We did it, everyone. Thank you. You're absolutely welcome. All right, we'll be back on Monday. Have a good weekend, everyone. What time on Monday? Around 12 p.m. Pacific time. Around then. join our Discord. Well played, sir. Thank you, Alp. Thank you, Alp. 5114. We did it, you guys. Bye from Coyote. Coyote, thank you for hanging out with us today. You were here for most of the stream. Not Owen, good luck. Thank you for that. Killer, we did it. Can I ask a question? Thank you, sir. Yes, Killer. Real quick, I got to ask a question, and then we're heading out. What's your question, XX Killer? Also, you could... good luck. Thank you again, Not Owen. We did it. We're gonna have to head out, and we're gonna solve some real challenges because we made an upgrade. Well, Killer is typing your type your question really quick. While Killer's typing the question, I have to go and do some work on a rollback that we had. We deployed an optimization to our message bus infrastructure, and our message bus has the ability to have higher density cardinality with our upgrade. I'm really excited about it. The problem is we had a bug, and so we had to roll back. Killer, what can we do with our project? This project that we're doing now? Hi, are you ending the stream? Yes. I just joined Respublic. We are ending. Yes. We're just ending. We're going to be back on Monday. Thank you for joining. Even at the end, hey, at least you got to be here for just a little bit. Killer, what can we do with our project? Which project are you talking about, Killer? Are you talking about the AI algorithm that we wrote? We can profit. We can make money on it. Is that what you're asking? I don't think that's what you're asking. I'll give you another few seconds. But which project are you referring to? I want to subscribe. You, bro, because you are cool. Thank you. Thank you. We're 255C1G. Thank you for mentioning. That's really great feedback. Happy to hear. I'm going to be here at the time next time. See you. Cool. Sounds good. We'll be here at the beginning. All right, X's Killer, I got to get going. But if you have any more questions, just ask it on Discord. We'll be there on Discord, and we'll be able to answer any questions you got. Thank you, everyone, for joining. We're going to head out now. I'm going to click the stop button. Thank you for the likes, you guys. We'll be back on Monday. See ya. Have a really good weekend, everyone. Bye for now. See you guys. Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.